Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy on this huge market dip that we've came into this past 48 hours. So what has happened in the past 24 hours? Well, the market is down huge, guys. The market is down about 12.33%, and we'll talk about why this has happened. Now, we've still had some gainers, obviously. Here, top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Near Protocol, which is up 53.3%, even though the market is down. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin's volume and Ethereum's volume has been, huge after this sell-off. So we're down about 10% on Bitcoin. If we take a look here at Ethereum, 11.6% or so. Now, Ethereum at one point was down over 22%, and Bitcoin was down even further than that. So, things have been crazy in the past 24 hours here. Cardano's down 11%, Binance down 15%. Solana, though, is ripping, guys. Solana literally hit an all-time high as everything crashed. I believe Solana broke through $200 at one point. Meanwhile, every other altcoin is down about 15 to 20% or so. So this has been a great discount, kind of like a Black Friday sale for us, which is obviously a great opportunity for any dip buyers, that believe in the coins in the long term, because you're buying at a cheaper price than what it was trading at just about 24 hours ago, which is huge. So before we get into the news and talk about why this happened, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below. Are you going to be buying the dip or not? So let's get into it, guys. Why this happened? Well, Bitcoin tumbles nearly 10% as El Salvador adopts it as a legal tender. Now, the price of Bitcoin fell Tuesday after breaking through to 52,000 late Monday, reaching its highest level since May, obviously. So the price action comes as El Salvador officials adopts the largest cryptocurrency by market cap as a legal tender, becoming the first country to do so. So after this news, things started to go down very, very quickly. So, Bitcoin dropped as much as 16% actually at one point on Tuesday morning. Now it's down about 10% or so. It actually went to about 42,000, maybe a little bit lower actually at that point. And then obviously Ethereum was down, huge. So crypto, other crypto stocks, related stocks, I guess you say, like MicroStrategy and Coinbase also lost about 9 and 4% respectively. So other things are down, huge as well. Obviously, the president of El Salvador keeps on tweeting how, they bought, I believe, like 200 coins, and then we had like 400 coins. You guys can see here. It also bought 400 more coins worth 20 million, and is preloading Chivo wallet with $30 worth of Bitcoin for Salvadorians who register. So they're getting $30 worth of Bitcoin as well. So that is huge news for that country, but that caused a huge sell-off in the market. Why did that happen? Leave a comment below. What do you guys think? What caused that, to happen? Is it because now a country has decided to make it legal and it was kind of like a sell the news type of situation? I'm not sure really, but we can discuss in the comments below and figure out, what is going on here. But this caused a huge sell-off, and what would happen if a country bigger than El Salvador did the same thing? So let's get into it, guys. First altcoin on our list is going to be Cardano. So obviously Cardano is one of those coins that is amazing for the long term in our opinion. It's been doing very well in the past, month or so, and this is a great opportunity for dip buying. So Cardano is down about 11%. It was trading at 288 or so, even past $3 at one point. And then during this crash on Tuesday morning, we went to $2. So we literally went all the way down to $2, and it came back, very quickly here, as you can see, back to about 250, and now we're consolidating. So from that $2 area all the way to 250, that's about a 25% return actually. So it dropped huge and came back really quickly. So this is the thing about crypto. If you see crypto crash like this, like a flash crash type situation, it is always, or in most cases, it's a great dip buying opportunity, and you want to get in as soon as possible if you're a long-term holder, because that coin is not going to stay at those levels for a long time. We've seen this, 2 or 3 times in 2021 already, where it flash crashes and comes back up very quickly, either within hours or within 24 hours. Now, if we take a look here on the past week, this one is down about 9% with the highs at over 310. And then obviously here on the 1 month chart, still up 71%. 1 year chart, 2,669%. And, we're still actually above the all-time high here in May. So we're still above those levels, which is definitely a positive thing for us long-term holders, as this coin went from about $1 all the way to $3 pulled back down to $2, and now it's rocketing on back up to about 250. So that was a great dip buying opportunity for anybody that got in the low $2 range. Market cap right now for Cardano is 79.5 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 11.7 billion. Now Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So, Cardano definitely want to be adding to your radar, guys, and want to buy the dip, on any chance that we get like this. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So Matic, obviously another one of those greener coins that we love on the channel. This one was trading at 170, went from 170 all the way down here to about $1.11, which is an insane drop of over 60 cents or so. 15.87 percent down. Now we're trading into 130s, almost at 140. In the past week, it's actually up about 4% still, so still performing very, very well. In the past month, up 27%. Past year, 7,206%. Obviously, this one is still actually far away from that all-time high. We have over 100% upside potential from the level that we're trading right now. But we've seen similar things like this. We saw this huge pop, crashed down, and then very quickly came back up. So there's an opportunity, hopefully right here, for a similar pattern to happen with Polygon, where it dumps off very quickly and then comes back very quickly as well. Especially because this is going to be one of those greener coins for people that are going to be worried about the environment in the future, and finding coins that are less damaging, I guess you could say, for the environment. So more renewable energy friendly, I guess you could say, mining coin, and it's going to be Polygon, also known as Matic. So this one is actually a great opportunity in my opinion. This dip was huge. I mean, just to get back to 180, that's about a 42 cents rise, which will give you about a 30% return. So that's actually very nice in my opinion. Market cap right now 9.1 billion, with the volume being at 3 billion. So volume has been huge for pretty much everything, because a lot of people just started to panic off, and then obviously a lot of people bought that dip, the smart people. So Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within the Polygon, and then later they can withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token, is used to pay transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus, and it's definitely a great opportunity to load up on the dip, guys. Third altcoin is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. This one, huge drop once again, hitting highs at $35, pulled back down all the way down to about $25. So from $35 to $25, insane drop right there. And then obviously came back up to about $28 or so, and we've been trading sideways. It is down about 16% right now. In the past week, it's up 7%. So, lost a big chunk of its gains, because Chainlink is a slow and steady type coin. It's not one of those coins that's been, explosive like Solana, let's say, for instance. So Chainlink is slow and steady in my opinion, and it's still up about 16% on the 1 month chart. On the 1 year chart, 144%. This was a great buying opportunity, obviously, for anybody that missed out on prices from August. So this one went from about 13 cents here all the way to highs of over $34-$35, but we're still far away from that $53 high here in May. So we have a decent potential upside, obviously 70% or so before we hit those all-time highs. So this one is still up, like we said, 144% on the 1 year chart. Chainlink, slow and steady, wins the race, guys. So out of these three coins, this one actually has, possibly the most potential, and is a coin that I would definitely look into, because it has so much potential right there. 12.7 billion market cap on Chainlink, 4 billion volume right there. Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. So Chainlink, definitely a great coin to watch, guys. Leave a comment below if you're interested in any of these coins, and if you're actually buying the dip on any of these, or if you actually did buy the dip, and obviously on Bitcoin or any other coins as well. Now what we're going to do is obviously check out the rest of the market and see how everything else is performing. As we said, everything is down about 10 to 20% depending on the coins. So Solana, let's talk about the big outlier, guys. Solana, when everything crashed, it went from 185 all the way down here to lows of 134. And then within about an hour or two, it came back up all the way to 200, hitting an all-time high. So it went from 185 down, crash, and then all-time high in a matter of about an hour or two. So that is insane. From 170 back to 200, that's a $70 gain right there. 50% profit could have been made from the low to the top right there. And now we're trading at 172. So pretty much Solana wasn't even affected by this crash, really. If you think about it, if you didn't touch your Solana from, the beginning of the day to the end of the day, it's down a tiny bit. It's only down about, what, $7, $8 or so. That's insane. So in the past week, Solana's still destroying it at 58%. In the past month, 338%. Past year, 6,898%, still destroying it, guys. This is great for Solana, holding strong, showing momentum that it's not a weak coin. 49.5 billion. This is very, very interesting, obviously. As everything crashed, Solana is still destroying it. Doge, guys, on the other hand, is definitely not destroying it. It went from 31 cents all the way to lows of 21 cents. This is just a meme coin, guys. Like I told you, people are not holding this coin because they believe in growth or believe that something amazing is going to happen in the future. They're holding it because it's a meme coin and everybody was in it a long time ago, and it's a very cheap coin when you look at it by the price right there. So people are just dumping it in and buying as much as they can, believing it will go up. But in my opinion, that will never happen again. So in the past week, now it's down 6.8%. Past month, it's flat, so it hasn't done anything in the past month. In the past year, up 9,000%, obviously. But this coin, like I said, it's not going anywhere. And if we were to see a bearish situation, this coin is going to be worthless. It's going to go down to 10 cents or so, or maybe even lower. So even with this bull market, Doge is pretty much over, in my opinion. 33.2 billion market cap. Ethereum, was crazy. It went from 3,900, almost 4,000 here in the morning, all the way down to about 3,000. So we went from 4,000 to 3,000. That's about a 25% drop very, very quickly. So 25% drop, and then came back up all the way to 3,500 very quickly, a $500 gain right there. And now we've been consolidating around this 3,400 area the rest of the day. So down about 11.6%. Huge dip buying opportunity, obviously. On the 1 week chart, it is still up 1%. On the 1 month, 9.5%. So it lost a lot of those gains that we saw last week. But, dip buying opportunity for any long-term holders, obviously. 1 year chart, still 926%. 403.2 billion market cap with the volume at 39.2 billion. Ethereum still doing very well, obviously. This is just a little bit of a hiccup, obviously a little hurdle, and we'll be back in the future. Bitcoin down about 10% from about 53,000 all the way down to about 42,000, guys. About a $10,000 drop, came back up to about 47,000. So the drop, is not as crazy. We were trading at these levels last week, pretty much same as Ethereum. So it is a huge dip, but it's not that bad. On the 1 week chart, it's flat. 1 month chart up 9%, and then on the 1 year chart up 379%. This was a great, dip buying opportunity for all these altcoins. Market cap at 878.3 billion. This doesn't happen very often. We've seen a flash crash type situation like this maybe 3 or 4 times in 2021, and every time we've recovered back up. So this could have been a great dip buying opportunity for anybody that got in very quickly, but obviously only the future will tell us that, so we'll see what happens. Leave a comment below, like we said, letting me know if you bought the dip on any of these coins. What do you think is going to happen for the rest of the month? Was this just a little hiccup and we'll come back up on the highs, or is this the beginning of the end? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.